episode of Math Help. Today we're going to talk about similar figures. Similar figures have two main ideas that we need to remember. Number one, for similar figures, remember that they're corresponding angles. They are congruent, and congruent means equals. Also, corresponding sides are proportional. We've been working on proportions. You and Mr. Pratt have been working on proportions in class a lot lately. Hopefully by now you know how to set up and solve a proportion for the corresponding sides. Let's try one together, citizens. Alright, mathematicians, let's try it out together. Problem number 6. In problem number 6, we're asked to show which of these four triangles on the bottom is similar to the triangle up top. So, to do that, we're going to set up some proportions between the sides. If they're similar to the triangle up top, the proportions will be equal. So, let's start our first one with letter A. I'm going to set up a proportion from this side in the original rectangle, which would be 5 to 7.5. And then I'm going to use the same corresponding sides for letter A of 4 and 6.5. To see if these are equal, we're going to cross multiply, and if we get equal cross products, the proportions are equal to each other. 4 times 7.5 is 30. 5 times 6.5 is 32.5. Are those equal? Of course not. Therefore, this is not similar to the original rectangle. A is not similar. Let's try letter C. We're going to set up the same proportion, 5 over 7.5. And using the same corresponding sides in letter C, 1 over 1.25. If these are similar, their cross products will be equal. So let's find the cross products here. 7.5 times 1 is 7.5. 5 times 1.25 is 6.25. These are not equal, therefore our rectangles are not similar. Well, then the problem is probably going to have D as its answer. Let's just do the problem and double check, make sure we get D. We're going to set it up the same as we had before, 5 over 7.5 from the first rectangle, the original rectangle, and then 2 over 3 from the D rectangle. To solve, we're going to cross multiply. 2 times 7.5 is 15, and 3 times 5 is also 15. Because those cross products are equal, this is our correct answer. D is the answer we want